So preparatory methods. We are discussing preparatory methods. That is the reduction method is going on. So last class reduction by using of carbonyl compounds. So reduction method means what we do. So reduction means addition of hydrogen. You can use different type of compounds. Which compounds you are using? So like that here carbonyl compound. Okay. So carbonyl compound means RCHO. So next to that one is we can use that one is carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid derivatives means what is that one? Acid. So that one is esters, acid halides. So esters, acid halides, acid anhydrous. So like that you can use that one. Same. Board is not sufficient. So that one is carboxylic acid, RCOOH carboxylic acid, and another one is ester, acid halides, and amides, RCONH2. So we can use reducing agents, different kind of reducing agents. So what are the reducing agents? We check that one. So by here reducing agents, different type of reducing agents possible. So what are the different kind of reducing agents? So like that here. So here first one is you take a lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride H plus. So second sodium borohydride H plus. Sodium borohydride H plus. Third, you can use metal hydrogen. Metal means what is that one? Nickel, platinum, palladium. So M is equal to nickel, platinum, palladium, anyone. This one also we can use that one. So next to that one is another reducing agent. So that is the B2BH3, borane and tetrahydrofuran. But here H2O, not H2O2. This is another reducing agent. So like that we have to use a different kind of reducing agents. So over here carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound means what is that one? Carbonyl compound aldehyde and ketones, both RCHO and RCOR. This is carbonyl compounds. So here we can use lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride or metal hydrogen, and also this one also we can use any one of this one, you can use that one. Getting this point? So here in all these reactions generally what is that one? Here you take that one, last one is acid anhydride, you take that one. RCO2 taken over time. Okay, amide is not giving to alcohols. So wherever using this one or this one or this one here, carbonyl compound is converts to which compound? That is alcohol. Carbonyl compound converts to alcohol. So like that here, CO group, this one is reducing agent. What is this one is converting to alcohol? Right. Similarly, RCOH condition. Listen carefully. RCOH carboxylic acid condition. So carboxylic acid condition except metal hydrogen. Metal hydrogen is not suitable. You can use anyone. Metal hydrogen, that is we don't use for carboxylic acid. That metal is not metal, nickel, platinum, palladium. Another is alloys are there. Ruthenium, copper, that is not there in our syllabus. Avoid that one. Metal hydrogen reduction, carboxylic acid. Generally, carboxylic acid reduction means what is that one? Reducing agent. So what are the reducing agents? Lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, except metal hydrogen. BH3, tetrahydrofuran, water. You are getting here RCH2OH. This is alcohol is the answer. This condition not possible, metal hydrogen. So next esters. So esters, what is that one? So esters reducing agent. This one is reducing agent, we have to use that one. So this one is here, this group is converts to alcohol. This one is also alcohol. So here esters. So regarding to this esters reaction, we are getting this one is RCH2OH, ROH. Answers RCH2OH. This is converting to ROH. So what are the senior reducing agents? So ester condition, you can use anyone or anyone this reducing agents, you can use that one. So esters, any reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, metal hydrogen, BH3 tetrahydrofuran, anyone you can use that one. So wherever acid halide condition, you have to remember that one. So we can use sodium borohydride. So that one is acid halide, sodium borohydride only, you can use that one. Don't use lithium aluminum hydride. This one is lithium aluminum hydride. Sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride only you can use that one. So don't use this one. Okay? Right. Sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, we can use that one. This condition. So acid halide condition, sodium borohydride, you can use that one. So acid anhydride. So regarding to acid anhydride condition, we check that one. You can use, you don't use sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, you don't use this one. Sodium borohydride, you don't use that one. You can use anyone. So like that here, selection of reducing agents important. So acid halide condition, you can use sodium borohydride, but lithium aluminum hydride is not useful. Sodium borohydride only. Okay. So here, carboxylic acid condition, metal hydrogen, you don't use that one. Metal hydrogen, don't use that one. So next to that one is carbonyl compound, you can use anyone. Out of this four, you can use anyone. Carboxylic acid condition, metal hydrogen, don't use. So lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, BH3 tetrahydrofuran, anyone you can use that one. Ester condition, you can use all. Ester condition. Ester condition. So what is that one? Ester condition. So like that here, reducing agent selection is there. So I sent that one regarding to this reducing agents. One list is there. I have to send it through WhatsApp that one. So don't worry that one. So one reducing agents where we can use, where we don't use that one. One list is there. I have to send that one. So like that here, reducing agents we are using. Right now, we check that one. Regarding to this one, can I rub this one? So here, this one is acid halide. Suppose acid halide, RCOX, reducing agent, you can use that one. After using that one, this one is converting to RCH2OH. RCH2OH, HX. So acid anhydride condition, RCO taken twice, O. So reducing agents, so what you are getting? This is 2 moles alcohol. 2 moles alcohol you are getting, this is the answer. 2 moles alcohol. So like that here, carbonyl condition, carboxylic acid condition, ester condition, acid halide condition, acid anhydride condition, all conditions. So what is the answer? Alcohol. Alcohols. Carboxylic acid condition, don't use metal hydrogen catalyst. Okay. So acid halide condition, what I am telling, you can use the sodium borohydride. Okay. So next that one is, so like that here, reducing agent selection is there. So this is the reduction reactions. Carbonyl compound converting to alcohol. Carboxylic acid converting to alcohol. Ester is converting to alcohol. Acid halide is converting to alcohol. So acid anhydrides are converting to alcohols. So here, if you take that one amide, amide taking means not giving to alcohol. Amide, suppose you are taking amide. So amide condition, you are getting amine, not alcohol. That is not useful for preparation of alcohol. This is the preparation of alcohols by reduction. Getting Carbonyl compound, what is the reducing agent? Carbonyl compound, you can use lithium aluminum hydride H plus, sodium borohydride H plus, metal hydrogen, nickel platinum palladium, BH3 tetrahydropyranol water. So this one is, so all that one is, you can use that one. Right? Carboxylic acid condition, you don't use metal hydrogen. So metal nickel hydrogen, platinum hydrogen, palladium hydrogen, that is wrong. Generally, so B2H6, B2H6, that one is used in which condition? That is not used in which condition? So B2H6, that is not used in acid anhydride condition. Okay, leave it this one. Next, I go to next one. Right? So next concept, what is it? So regarding to from esters, how to prepare that one carboxylic acid from esters. So next from esters. From esters, so esters means what is that one? RCOOR. RCOOR. This is two types of hydrolysis is there. Basic hydrolysis and another one is acidic hydrolysis. So basic hydrolysis means what you are getting. So this is sodium salt of carboxylic acid and another one is alcohol. This one is RCOOR ester. You are getting RCOONA, sodium salt of carboxylic acid, RCOONA. So ester means RCOOR, basic hydrolysis. So you are getting RCOONA. So this one is another one is what is that one? Alcohol. Two products you are getting here. So two products, sodium salt of carboxylic acid and another one is alcohol. This is basic hydrolysis. Suppose you are taking here pH CH2 COOR COO CH3. So here NaOH. What is the answer? So that one is what is that one? C6H5. That is phenyl CH2 COONA. Sodium salt and another one is CH3OH. These are the answers. So ester, that is acidic hydrolysis also possible. Acidic hydrolysis means, check that one. Acidic hydrolysis. Ester RCOOR. You take here RCOOR. So this one is, you take that one O18 group. Like that here acidic hydrolysis means H plus H2O. H3O plus. This is reversible reaction. So here this bond breaking here RCOOH. RCOOH plus another one is alcohol. So here this oxygen 18 is comes here in alcohol. Why? Because this bond breakdown, RCO bond, that breakdown, that is we tell that one based on reaction mechanism. Say isotopic substitution, oxygen 18 is goes to alcohol part, not comes to carboxylic acid part. So this is a reversible reaction. Wherever acid concentration is more, concentrated acid is using backward reaction. Ester formation takes place. So here esters hydrolysis two types. One is basic hydrolysis and another one is acidic hydrolysis. So both condition products are alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. Here salt of carboxylic acid. Basic hydrolysis, you are getting salt of carboxylic acid. Clear? So this is the from esters. Preparation from esters. So completed means press the button. I can go to next method from amines. Right. Next, from primary amines. From primary amines. From primary amines. Primary amines. Amine. This is already discussed here, amine chapter. RNH2. So reagent is which one? NaNO2 plus. So here at the time of that one is reaction, we can produce that one HNO2, NaNO2 plus HCl mixture. This one is giving to which one? HNO2. So what we are getting in this reaction? This is in this reaction product is alcohol. Alcohol plus nitrogen. Suppose in this reaction ethyl alcohol is there. Ethyl alcohol means what is that one? This is ethyl amine. Ethyl amine. So ethyl amine HNO2. So what are the products? So this is ROH means C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol plus N2. Don't take here methylamine. Methylamine is not giving to alcohol. That is ether. Here mechanism is different. What is the reaction mechanism? So reaction mechanism, you take here this one is C2H5 is there. C2H5. You take here C2H5. This one is reacts with NH. C2H5 NH2. Reaction with which one? That is the NaNO2 plus HCl. NaNO2 plus HCl. So what we are getting here? Diazonium ion getting C2H5 NH2. So this is C2H5, C2H5. So this is N2Cl. Benzene diazonium salt. This is diazonium ion is intermediate. Okay, diazonium salt you are getting. C6H5 N2Cl. And another one is this one is unstable compound. This is converting to which one? C2H5 OH. And another one is N2. So like that here products you are getting in this reaction. So here this is diazonium salt, aliphatic diazonium salt is unstable, but aromatic condition that is stable. So wherever you are taking aniline, NaNO2 HCl, you are getting which compound? Benzene diazonium chloride, that is stable compound. But this is aliphatic diazonium salt, unstable, decomposed to which one? This is alcohol and N2. So like that here in this reaction mechanism, this is giving to which one? This is giving to C2H5 plus ion. C2H5 plus. We are getting various products in this reaction. C2H5 plus you are getting different products, not only alcohol. We are getting this is a major product. This one is alcohol is major product. Okay. So actually this one is converting to which one? C2H5 plus N2 plus Cl minus. So like that C2H5 plus, this is reaction intermediate, carbonium cation. So this one is again reacts with water. So what you are getting? This compound, C2H5OH. This is a major product. Suppose this one is reacts with chloride ion. You are getting what is that one? C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl also another product. So wherever that one is, this is intermediate. This is reacting with so H plus means what you are getting? Elimination reaction. C2H4 also we will get that one of the product. This is also reacts which one? So here HNO2 means what is that one structure? HONO2. So that is H plus is there, ONO minus is there. It is reaction with ON double bond O. This ion means what we are getting? This here another condition C2H5NO2. Here, what is the other product? C2H5, C2H5ONO. This is another product. So wherever that one is C2H5 plus react with C2H5OH. So what we are getting? Ether also. This is reacting with C2H5OH. C2H5OH means what we are getting? C2H5O, C2H5. ether. But exam point of view, no need this all these things. So here major product is which one? Alcohol. These are all side products. So this is not only alcohol, chloride, ethylene, nitroethane, next ether. These are all side products. Okay, getting this point. So what is the conclusion? Intermediate carbonyl cation formation. This is converting to C2H5 plus N2 plus Cl minus. Carbonyl cation formation is there. If rearrangement is there, you can do rearrangement. So your answer, wherever rearrangement is there, so that condition you can do rearrangement. Finally, you can write the answer. Final answer is alcohol. Suppose I give one question. Question, note down. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This is primary amine. Reaction with NaNO2 plus HCl. What is the answer? NaNO2 plus HCl. So don't write here. This one is substituted by OH. That is wrong. So here in the reaction mechanism, intermediate is which one? This is CH3, CH2, CH2 plus intermediate. So this is carbonyl cation rearrangement. So hydride shift is possible. You can do that one. CH3, CH plus, next is CH3 after hydride shift. So right now this is attacking with OH minus. So right now we are getting alcohol. CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is answer. Don't put OH here. That is the wrong answer. Getting this point? Right. But according to concept, what do we think that one? Just to put the here substitution of OH, that is not correct. So why intermediate is carbonyl cation? So first to do rearrangement. After doing rearrangement, you substitute one OH group. So answer is alcohol. So here, what is the general concept? Amine, primary amine reaction with NaNO2 HCl. Answer is alcohol. But intermediate is carbonyl cation. Okay. So carbonyl cation means what is that one? This one is giving to which one? C6. This is C2H5 plus. This one is N2 plus Cl minus. This one is reacting with OH minus. You are getting C2H5 OH. Clear? So this is from amines. Preparation of alcohols from amines. From Grignard reagent, already explained that one. From Grignard reagent, that is already explained that one. No need to again explain that one. From Grignard reagent. So here from Grignard reagent, alcohols preparation. Formaldehyde giving to primary alcohol, other aldehyde secondary alcohol. So that is ketones giving to tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. From Grignard reagent. So formaldehyde you are taking formaldehyde, Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis. You are getting which one? Primary alcohol. Equations are given previously. Grignard reagent reactions. So this is only formaldehyde. Other aldehydes. So aldehydes except formaldehyde. You take here other aldehydes. So except formaldehyde. Except formaldehyde, other aldehydes. Grignard reagent, water, followed by hydrolysis. What you are getting? Secondary alcohol. Suppose you are taking acetone. Acetone means RCOCH3. Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis. Grignard reagent followed by acidic hydrolysis. So what you are getting? Tertiary alcohol. So these are the key points. Equations already have written that one in previous classes. That is Grignard reagent reaction. Check that one. So here what is the answer? Formaldehyde. This condition, what is the answer? Formaldehyde. Okay. So this one is take that one. CH3MgX plus followed by hydrolysis. So what is your answer? Write the answer. Try to solve this problem. Primary alcohol means which one you are getting? Primary alcohol means what is that one? This C, H. This one is R in there. R means which one? CH3. Primary alcohol, OH group is there on primary carbon. So your answer is CH3, CH2, OH. Getting this point? Suppose here question. Same. Next, suppose here question they are giving. So instead of formaldehyde, CH3COH, Grignard reagents, CH3MgX, followed by hydrolysis. What is your answer? Secondary alcohol. Here, primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means what is that one? This is CH3CO. CH3CO. CO means what is that one? COH is there. This is CH3 attaching. Double bond becomes to single bond. And O, this one is H. This is your answer. Secondary alcohol. Suppose you are taking acetone. Acetone means what is your answer? Acetone, methyl magnesium halide followed by hydrolysis. So tell the answer. What is that product? Done who do the answer? Rajesh. Tertiary alcohol, correct. Which are name of that alcohol? First write this structure. The structure means CH3, CH3. Next this CH3 attach this carbon. Double bond becomes to single bond. This is OH. This is your answer. Getting? Suppose this question here C2H5 is there. What is your answer? H, C, O, H. This is C2H5. So like that here, Grignard reagent reaction, Grignard reagent with carbonyl compounds. So you have to remember that one. Grignard reagent in carbonyl compound aldehyde, only formaldehyde giving to primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde giving to secondary alcohols. All ketones giving to tertiary alcohols. This is very, very important. Right? Clear? So these are all the preparatory methods of alcohols. So next properties, physical properties, chemical properties of alcohols. Epoxide condition also you are getting that one. Did not reagent to epoxide. That condition also you are getting alcohols. Suppose you take here epoxide. So that is Grignard lineage epoxide, you take that one. What is that one? Grignard reagent. So CH3 MgX followed by hydrolysis. So what is your answer? Try to solve this problem. SN2 reaction mechanism. This is ring expansion. Size carbon number increases. So mechanism is SN2. So here what is that one? This bonding electron sitting here. This place or this place, both are same. So you are getting here positive side. This is negative. So this one is what is that one? Positive. This is negative. Negative is attaching here. So what you are getting? This is so CH3 MgX is there. CH3 MgX. CH3 MgX attaching with this place CH2. Next to CH2 O minus. CH3 MgX. This is MgX. Right. So here hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means what you are getting? This one is here hydrolysis condition. OH here H. This one is H plus. OH minus this place. H plus this place. So what you are getting? See, this one is actually what is this? This one is CH3, right? Next that one is check that one. So which compound you are getting? CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So here when compared to this compound, two carbons are more. Two carbons number is more. Right? Here one thing you do that one. Not like that. Listen. This is CH3, CH2, CH2, O, MgX here. Plus this part, O, MgX. O, MgX. So this is what is that one? O, MgX. Here hydrolysis. HOH. So answer is same. Not this side, that side. CH3, this negative part attached on positive part, CH2 plus. CH3, this one, CH2, CH2, O minus. O minus is attached to which one? MgX. That is correct. So like that here answer is what is that one? Alcohol. Two carbons more. This is one carbon. This is three carbons. Getting this point? This is what type of mechanism? SN2 reaction mechanism. SN2 reaction mechanism. So you can prepare alcohols by using this method also. So next properties. Properties, check that one. Physical properties. Physical properties means mainly that one is solubility, boiling point. These are the main points. Solubility, what is the formula? Directly proportional to molecular weight is increases, solubility decreases. Solubility directly proportional to number of side chains. Number of side chains are more, attractions more, solubility is more. Molecular weight is more, so that is molar mass is more, solubility less. Boiling point condition formula reverse. Molecular weight is increases, boiling point increases. Side chains increases, boiling point decreases. Number of side chains are more, surface area is less, boiling point is less. Surface area is more, boiling point is more. Side chains more means surface area is less. So van der Waals attraction is less, boiling point is less. Side chains number is more. Side chain number is increases, boiling point. What is that one? Boiling side chains number increases. So regarding to side chain number, side chain number increases, binding point decreases. Reason side chain number increases means surface area decreases. So these are the formulae. So based on that one, solubility, check that one. Suppose here solubility. Compare the solubility. Compare solubility. CH3OH, CH2, C2H5OH, C3H7OH. Which is more soluble? Y. CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH. So more soluble. Molecular weight is less, solubility more. CH3OH is more soluble. So next number of side chains. Same number of side chains based on number of side chains. So here solubility, compare the solubility. Compare solubility. So like that compound 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, this one is like that, take here 4 carbons. Next to that one is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. But side chain is there. So next to take here 2 side chains. Side chain number is increases, solubility increases. What is the solubility order? Side chain number increases, attractions increases, solubility increases. Very good. Dharnivalan correct, Gayatri correct. Next to that one is similarly boiling point. So here solubility that is also depends upon hydrogen bonds. Compare solubility. One more question. Suppose here like that compound is there. This is a 1 OH group. Next to second compound, this is 2 OH groups. Third compound, 3 OH groups. Glycerol. Where is solubility is more? Solubility here depends upon hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds number is more, solubility is more. Very good, Dharnivalan. So 1 OH group, 2 OH group, 3 OH groups. So here number of OH groups increases, solubility increases. So this is regarding to solubility. So boiling points also we can compare that one. So number of hydrogen bonds more, boiling point is less. Suppose here question, compare boiling point. So boiling point comparison, compare that one. Suppose here 3 structures are given. What is the boiling point order? Where is boiling point is more? Number of OH groups are more, hydrogen bonds are more, boiling point is more. So 1, 2, 3. 3 is boiling point is highest. Reason, number of hydrogen bonds 3 sites. Here 2 sites, here 1 site. Number of hydrogen bonds, that number is more. So can able to form more hydrogen bonds, boiling point value increases. Getting this point? Not side chains, OH groups. So these are the questions regarding to boiling point, solubility condition with comparable molar mass. So suppose boiling point where is more? So compound is there like that. This is one compound. Next, this is first compound. Next, second compound. Second, next, third. Four carbons. This is third. What is the boiling point order? 1, 2, 3. Send the message. Boiling point is where is more. Very good. Archana, correct answer. 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. Here surface area is more. Attractions more. Boiling point is more. Surface area least. Attractions least. Boiling point is least. Kavya also correct answer. Getting this point? So regarding the questions boiling point solubility, they will ask here general question. Suppose you are taking your alcohol and carboxylic acid. Which condition is solubility is more with comparable molar mass? So one is alcohol and another one is carboxylic acid, RCOOH. Where is that one is boiling point is more? Boiling point is which one is more? Not alcohol. Carboxylic acid condition, dimerization formation. Carboxylic acid condition, that one is dimerization possible. Carboxylic acid condition. Alcohol boiling point is less when compared to carboxylic acid boiling point. Take that one. So alcohol means hydrogen bonds like that only. But carboxylic acid, example acetic acid, you take that one. CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Dimer formation takes place. Or CH3COH. Right. Next to CH3COH. Dimer formation. Okay. So here what is that one? Boiling point is more carboxylic acid. With comparable molar mass, carboxylic acid, alcohol, carboxylic acid is higher value. Boiling point. Reason? That is the cyclic section. Dimer formation. So here compare the boiling point of alcohol and ether. Alcohol, ether, where is more? And another one is ether. Alcohol is more. Reason hydrogen bond. So alcohol hydrogen bond is present, ether is not present. So ether actually hydrogen bond, what are the conditions? Hydrogen atom and more electronegative atom. More electronegative atom means chlorine, sometimes very rare condition chlorine, nitrogen, oxygen. These atoms containing a lone pair, at least one lone pair is required. This condition hydrogen bond formation. And this atom is connected here. So wherever that one is hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom attached with more electronegative atom, fluorine, nitrogen, oxygen. This electronegative atom, at least one lone pair is required. This condition hydrogen bond formation. Ether, no hydrogen bond. Polar, that is polar attractions. Dipolar attraction is possible. Getting this point? So this is a boiling point comparison alcohols to ethers, alcohols, carboxylic acid. General question they will ask that one. Carboxylic acid boiling point is more when compared to alcohol with comparable molar mass. Reason carboxylic acid dimer formation. Alcohol and ether, which is more value? Alcohol more. Reason hydrogen bond. Ether no hydrogen bond. Getting clear? So these are the physical properties. So next chemical properties are there. Chemical properties. So chemical properties. So under chemical properties. This is mainly three types of chemical properties we have to divide it one. Reactions involving COH bond breaking. Next reactions involving this is C bond O breaking. Reactions involving total molecule. Three types of reactions. This kind of reactions here, you are getting carbon anion. This kind of reaction, carbocation. Carbon anion stability order, what is that one? 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Carbocation stability order, 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. So here 3 degree more reactive. Example, that one is alcohol reaction with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent test. Here carbon anion formation, O minus. Like that anion, 1 degree more reactive, next to 2 degree, next to 3 degree. Check that one. What type of reaction? This category means reactivity order this. This category means reactivity order this one. Okay? Getting this point? See. So here first category, acidic nature. Acidic nature is explained based on this property. Acidic nature. Acidic nature means giving to proton H plus. So this is CO here OH bond breaking. So reactivity order. Compare that one, reactivity order. Reactivity order. Suppose here 1 degree alcohol CH3OH is given. Next to 2 degree alcohol. This is 2 degree alcohol. Next to 3 degree alcohol. Which is more acidic nature? This one, first one, or second one, or third one? Which is more acidic nature? 1 degree, 2 degree, or 3 degree? Acidic nature means OH bond breaking. OH bond breaking means reactivity order 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So which is more acidic? First one is more acidic. So here acidic nature order 1 degree, next to 2 degree, next to 3 degree. Getting this point? So alcohol's acidic nature, reaction with sodium metal. Alcohols, so check that one, reaction with sodium metal, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Which reaction they are giving? Regarding to acidic nature, see. Alcohol, aliphatic alcohol, not aromatic. Sodium metal, reaction is possible or not? Sodium hydroxide, reaction is possible or not? Sodium carbonate, reaction is possible or not? Sodium bicarbonate, reaction is possible or not? But some reaction possible, some reactions not possible. What is the reason? This is possible, this is not possible, this is not possible, this is not possible with aliphatic alcohols. Only one is possible, not 2, 3, 4. So here RONA plus H2. Next condition, no reaction. Phenol means sodium hydroxide also possible. Carboxylic acid means all possible. Reason alcohol acidic nature is less. Suppose here one reaction, acid base reaction, one reaction is possible, another reaction not possible. How do we tell that one? Suppose here you take that one, alcohol means what is that one? ROH. So So alcohol means what is that one? ROH. This is proton donor. Acid means proton donor to base OH minus. So what we have to get that one? RO minus plus H2O. This is what is that one? Acid 1. This is base 1. This is proton donor in backward reaction. Proton donor is acid. Acid 2. This is proton acceptor, base 2. So here, suppose alcohol, sodium hydroxide is there. Alcohol, sodium hydroxide. We have to get RO minus H2O. So forward reaction not possible. What is the reason? Here B2 power of B2, basic power of B2 greater than basic power of B1. A2 power is greater than that of A1. A2 power greater than A1. Acidic nature of H2O is greater than that of alcohol. So here this condition reversible reaction possible. This reaction not possible. Only reversible reaction. A2 power greater than A1, B2 power greater than B1. That is there. Higher power to lower power. That reaction is feasible. So alkoxide ion reacts with water. We are getting alcohol and OH minus. That reaction is possible. Forward reaction not possible. Alcohol OH minus sodium hydroxide. That reaction not possible. Reason: alkoxide ion is stronger base when compared to OH minus. Water is strong acid when compared to alcohol. Acidic nature order. Check that one. Acidic nature order. What is that one? Water is more when compared to alcohol. Water is more when compared to alcohol. Exception: methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol more acidic nature when compared to water. Other alcohols less acidic. Water, alcohol. Next, that one is what is that one? That one is alkyne. Alkyne. And the next one is ammonia. Ammonia. This is the acidic strength order. Acidic strength. Acidic strength order. Water is stronger than that of alcohol. Alcohol stronger when compared to acetylene. Acetylene is stronger acid when compared to ammonia. Getting this point? Alcohols, methyl alcohol is stronger acid when compared to water. That is exceptional case. So what is the conclusion? Aliphatic alcohol reacting with sodium metal only, not reacting sodium hydroxide, no reaction sodium carbonate. Similarly, no reaction with sodium bicarbonate. But phenol exhibiting first two reactions. Carboxylic acid exhibiting all reactions. Phenol is more acidic. Why here this is alcohol sodium hydroxide reaction not feasible? So here in this reaction, alcohol next to sodium, this is ROH, alcohol sodium hydroxide. Products RO minus H2O. RO minus is base. This is stronger base when compared to OH minus. So backward reaction feasible. Forward reaction not feasible. Getting? Any doubt here? Hello? Check ma. Concept is clear. In water and alcohol, which is more acidic? Water is more acidic and compared to alcohol. Exceptional, which one? Which alcohol is more acidic when compared to water? Which alcohol more acidic when compared to water? Which alcohol? Only one alcohol more acidic when compared to water. Methyl alcohol, exceptional case. Already I told you, methyl alcohol, that one is so methyl alcohol, stronger acid. And this one is methyl alcohol, stronger acid, and its conjugate base is weak. But CH3O minus is strong strong base also. This is the acidic strength. Next reaction, alkylation, acylation, benzoylation. Alkylation reaction, acylation reaction, benzoylation reaction, ester hydrolysis. These are all comes on first category. Under first category reactions, alkylation. Second, acidic nature over. Next, alkylation. Alkylation means alkyl group introduction. How to introduce alkyl group in alcohol? First reacts with sodium metal. This is substituted by Na product. This reacts with alkyl halide. This is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis reaction. You are getting alkylation is possible. ROR. This is ether formation. Williamson synthesis. So already I told you this reaction Williamson synthesis. Primary alkyl halide means answer is ether. Secondary alkyl halide means ether alkene. Tertiary alkyl halide means answer alkene. This is primary alkyl halide. 1 degree alkyl halide is required. 1 degree mainly. This is alkylation. So like that here you can do alkylation. Next acylation. So acylation, how to do that one? Acyl group substitution, acylation. Reagent acetyl chloride. So alcohol ROH reacts with acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Acyl group substitution. So you are getting like that HCl. So what is the product in this reaction? ROCOR. ROCO. This is R. This is OH bond breaking. This OH bond breaking of alcohol RO. Next this one is what is that one? CH3COCl, na? CH3 ROCH3CO. ROCO. This is CO. This is HCl is eliminated. ROCOCH3. That is the answer. This is acylation. Acyl group is substituted. CH3CO group instead of hydrogen. In place of hydrogen of alcohol substituted, this is called acylation. Similarly, you can do benzoylation. Benzoylation is called special name is benzoylation of alcohol. What is the special name? Stratton-Bowman's reaction. Stratton-Bowman's reaction. Here, based on this question, application. You can prepare acetate salicylic acid. Suppose you take here, this is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, COOH. Acetyl chloride. Acylation we have to do. Acylation which place? OH place. So in OH place, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen is replaced by which group? COCH3. So you are getting COCH3. Next is COOH. This is acetoxy benzoic acid or acetyl salicylic acid. This is acetoxy benzoic acid or acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid or acetoxy benzoic acid. This is also named as aspirin. Aspirin. This is acetylation reaction. Acetylation reaction you are doing. So where we are doing acetylation on the position of hydrogen atom of OH group. So aspirin, that one is here, that is aspirin. That is medicine. analgesic and antipyretic medicine. Analgesic and antipyretic. Analgesics means reduce the body pains. Antipyretic means reduce the body temperature. So what is the full name of aspirin? Acetyl salicylic acid. Very, very important. That is how to prepare that one. Acetylation of benzoic acid. Acetylation of benzoic acid. Acetylation of benzoic acid. So here H is replaced by acetyl group. What is the use of aspirin? Aspirin is that is the drug, antipyretic and anti-analgesic. Analgesics and antipyretic. So next, benzoylation. Acylation is over. Benzoylation. Benzoylation is called as Scotton-Bowman reaction. Scotton-Bowman reaction. Scotton-Bowman's reaction. This is benzoylation. So benzoylation of alcohol. So benzoylation of alcohol, this one is called Scotton-Bowman reaction. Benzoylation means C6H5COCl. Benzoyl chloride. H is replaced by this group. HCl going to outside. So benzoylation ROCOC6H5. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? This is benzoylation. Note down. Alkylation, acylation, benzoylation. Benzoylation special name. What is the special name of benzoylation? Scotton-Bowman's reaction. Scotton-Bowman's reaction. So alkylation, alkoxy, alkanone. What is this one? You are getting which compound here? RCOOR, ester. That is also ester. Ester means what is the IUPAC name of ester? Anybody IUPAC name of ester? What is the IUPAC name of ester? Gayatri, Archana, Priya. This is RCOOR, ester. IUPAC name alkyl alkanoid. This part is alkyl. This part is alkanoid. But here, this suppose you are taking compound. This compound means what? Suppose you are taking R is equal to CH3. So what you are getting? C6H5, COOCH3. This is actually this part is not counted in longest carbon chain. So on the benzene ring, this one is there. So this is CH3COOH group is there. CH3COO group. On the benzene ring is there. ROCOC6H5. This special name will come. What is the name? Alkyl. That is alkyl benzene carboxylate. Special name will come. This is suppose methyl. This group is methyl benzene carboxylate. Suppose R is equal to CH3. That is called methyl. This is benzene. Benzene, special name, not counted longest carbon chain. So this is carboxylate. Generally, IUPAC name of esters, that is the alkyl alkanoids. Getting this point? Clear? So on the benzene ring, suppose some functional groups with carbon. That condition we are getting special names. So on the benzene ring CHO is there. What is the name? So on the benzene ring CHO means benzene carbaldehyde. On the benzene ring CN is there benzene. This one is carbonitrile. On the benzene ring COCl is there benzene. So this one is carbonyl chloride. So here also special name will come alkyl benzene carboxylate. So why? Because that is not counted in longest carbon chain. Don't write alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanate when we are using aliphatic condition. Suppose HCOO or CH3. Alkyl means methyl, methyl methanoate. Suppose CH3 is there, methyl. The alkyl group attached with oxygen of COO. That is alkyl, methyl ethanoate. Here nomenclature is different. This is a benzoylation. Any doubt here? Scotton-Bowman reaction. So right now alkylation, acylation, benzoylation, acidic nature completed. Next hydrolysis of ester. Next reaction hydrolysis of ester. Not here esterification. Not hydrolysis, esterification. 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 Hydrolysis of ester, that one is, what is that one? Preparation of alcohols. Esterification is required. So esterification means what is that one? Carboxylic acid required reacts with alcohol. Okay. So here alcohol, which one? OH bond breakdown. OH bond. Carboxylic acid, which bond? This C bond O. This bond breakdown, not OH bond. This is very, very important. Alcohol OH bond breaking. Carboxylic acid is CO bond breaking. So what we are getting here products? RCOOR, ester, esterification. This is acidic medium. Reversible reaction, concentrated H2SO4 required. So more H plus concentration in their forward reaction positive. Okay. So here RCOOR, this is called ester. RCOOR, ester plus water. This is esterification. What are the important points regarding to esterification? So esterification for here, alcohol OH bond breakdown, carboxylic acid C bond O breakdown. So here reactivity, esterification reactivity directly proportional. Here inversely proportional to steric hindrance. Esterification inversely proportional to steric hindrance of carboxylic acid and alcohol. Esterification main formula you have to remember steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Steric hindrance is less, esterification is more. Steric hindrance of carboxylic acid or steric hindrance of alcohol. Suppose here same alcohol using different carboxylic acid. So what is the reactivity order? Reactivity order in esterification. Reactivity order in esterification. See, suppose here that one is, what is that one? Different carboxylic acid. CH3, COOH, next CH, this one is CH3, COOH, next another one is C, that one is, okay, CH3 taken twice, COOH. So next is C, so like that C, CH3, CH3, three methyl groups, COOH. What is the esterification order regarding to so carboxylic acid with the same alcohol, with the same alcohol, with the same alcohol, all condition alcohol same. So here compound number 1, compound number 2, compound number 3, compound number 4. So what is the esterification order? Esterification inversely proportional to steric endurance. Steric endurance is least, reactivity is more. But you have to use same alcohol, different carboxylic acids. So 1, 2, 3, 4 different carboxylic acids using. What is the reactivity order? Gayatri, Archana. Very good. Kavya, correct answer. Reason steric endurance. Bulky groups are not there. 1 bulky group, 2 bulky group, 3 bulky groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply remember this formula: esterification inversely proportional to steric endurance. Suppose here different alcohols using regarding to esterification reactivity order with the same carboxylic acid. With the same carboxylic acid RCOOH, they are giving alcohols CH3OH. This one is one alcohol. Next CH3COOH. Next CH3 taken twice. This is CH2. CC. Next one is CH3 taken twice COOH. What is the reactivity order? Same carboxylic acid using different alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. Suppose 1, 2, 3. What is the reactivity of this alcohol? 1, 2, 3. 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. Very good. Reason steric. This one, this condition, steric endurance not there. 1 alkyl group, 2 alkyl group. Alkyl groups regarding to OH group carbon, alkyl groups number increases, branches increases, side chains increases. So what happened? Steric endurance is more, reactivity is less. Very good. So these are the questions regarding to esterification. So what are the main question? Esterification is ester formation. Reaction between with which compounds? Carboxylic acid and alcohol. Esterification inversely proportional to steric endurance. Okay.
So 2 and 3 are 2 and 3 are alcohol or 2 and 3 are alcohol or carboxylic acid.
Sorry. This is carboxylic acid. Take here alcohol only. All are same carboxylic acid. Alcohol only. Take that one. Right. Very good. This is this question is alcohol. Same carboxylic acid, different alcohol. OH. This is what is that one? 1 degree. This is 2 degree. Next to that one is 3 degree. Alcohol, change the structure. Right. So this is the esterification questions. So esterification, what you have to remember, inversely proportional to steric endurance. Steric endurance is less, reactivity is more. Right? Is it completed? Right. So after that, this also reacts with alcohols. Alcohols reacting with alkynes. Reaction with alkynes. And the first category, next reaction with alkynes. The alkynes. Alkynes already I told you that one is acetylene. Acetylene reacts with methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. So reacts with which one? Methyl alcohol. Reagent BF3HGO. Heavy metal ion. Generally alkenes reaction electrophilic addition. Here heavy metal ion is there. This is nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. What you are getting? This is hydrogen O minus H plus. Like that. This is a covalent compound. H according to that one you take here. This is CH3. C triple bond H. C. This compound. So where we should add H, where we should add OCH3. This is nucleophilic addition. According to Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule, OCH3 goes to middle carbon, negative part. So what we are getting here? So see, this one is CH3. Here OCH3 negative part goes to carbon atom, its least number, OCH3. This is OCH3, second mole. So 2 moles required here, 2 CH3OH. Next to 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen here, another hydrogen here. This compound is called ketol, similar to keto compound, ketol. So what is the name of this compound? Ketol. This is what type of reaction? Nucleophilic addition, not electrophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition reaction mechanism. Why? Heavy metal cation. Heavy metal cation is there. It takes electron density from 5 bonds. It becomes to electrophilic nature. So nucleophile is attacking. Nucleophile is which one? OCH3 first attacking. That is nucleophilic addition. Suppose you are taking yes, C triple bond C. What is the answer? So here OCH3OH methyl alcohol and BF3 catalyst BF3HGO. So here H can substitute this place or this place, any place, no problem. Suppose here H is substituting this place. OCH3 next carbon. OCH3, already one H is there. So what is the name of this compound? This is called this is 2 carbons are there. This is methylol. So what is this name of this compound? Methylol. This is methylol. This is methyl group substitution. So this is methylol. This is called ketol. So reaction with the alkyne. That is the reaction with the alkynes. Getting? So next one more reaction. Reaction with alcohols. Reaction with so what is that one? This is alcohol reaction with carbonyl compounds. Reaction with carbonyl compounds. Okay. It may be aldehyde, acetaldehyde or ketone. You take here acetaldehyde. CH3COH acetaldehyde. reaction with 2 moles of alcohol, ROH alcohol, ROH alcohol. Here OH bond breaking. This OH bond breaking, so combining with O. So what we are getting? CH3, CH. This is OR. This is called acetal. Acetal. Similarly with ketone, CH3, CO, CH3 with 2 moles alcohol. Acidic medium required here. Acidic medium. ROH. ROH. This is loss of water. So what we are getting here? Ketol. Ketol. CH3. C. CH3. This is OR. OR. This is ketol. Previous compound acetal. From acetaldehyde acetal. Ketone, that product is ketol. Acetone, ketol, both are doing acidic medium. These reactions we are doing which medium? Acidic medium. Acetal and ketone. So these are all chemical properties regarding to, so which bond breaking? CH bond breaking. That CH bond, this is OH bond breaking. OH bond breaking of alcohol. So under OH bond breaking, main reactions: alkylation, acylation, benzoylation, and ester, that is hydrolysis of ester. That is all these reactions are. So under this one is OH bond breaking. First category reactions completed here. Second category, so that one is C bond O breaking. C bond O breaking, that reaction second category. Third category, total molecule involving. So remaining reactions we can go to next class. Right now first category is over. Any doubt? Doubt is there, put the message. Otherwise you can leave that one. Tomorrow you have exam already, syllabus is given for you. Prepare carefully. So any doubts are there, put the message. In hydrocarbons also, any doubts, is send that one. Clear? Can I stop that one? Right.